My name is TJ Forsyth and welcome to our YouTube channel. We are finally launching our digital marketing focused YouTube channel. I am so excited to finally bring my skills to YouTube and actually help you guys develop your digital marketing skills as well. So before we kind of get into today's topic of the video, just wanted to give you guys a quick background on me. I've actually been in digital marketing since I was 20 years old. I'm 28 now. I've actually been in digital marketing before it was really a thing, and started off small with social media management, brand building, kind of on the beginner level. And then through the years, I actually taught myself, the more advanced methods, and then picking up different skills along the way: video editing, systems and processes, funnel building, website design, UI, UX design, but also, my main focus has always been brand building. I've consulted kind of digital marketing agencies throughout the last, almost 10 years as well. And, right now I'm in the financial services industry, which I absolutely love. I love financial service marketing. But with that comes, why we're here, right? I'm finally, at a place where, I want to give back my skills, obviously on YouTube, and really, get to know the community, really help you guys develop your skills, and obviously be the best digital marketer you can possibly be. So with that being said, let's dive right into the first topic on our very first video, which is going to be the essentials of digital marketing, the foundation of digital marketing, and the basics, right? Where do you begin? So a quick overview of digital marketing. Digital marketing is actually the advertising through different channels, right? Those channels could be your website, they could be your social media, those could be your systems and processes behind a funnel, those could be in your digital advertising, whatever it may be. Here's also an image right here of all the different tools and possibilities behind digital marketing right here. So as you can see, there's so many opportunities and avenues that you can go down to be considered a digital marketer. From, like I said, from brand building, website design, SEO, right? Optimization, copywriting, content writing, all that good stuff is all in the digital marketing realm in some way, shape, or form. And it's very essential that you understand the basic building blocks of digital marketing, because it'll allow you, one, to really hone in on one specific skill and one specific niche that you really want to become an expert at, right? We want to make sure in digital marketing there's so many different ways that you can be a jack of all trades, but a master of none, as they say. And you really want to hone in on your one skill. Like I said, mine has been brand development and brand building, able to take a brand from zero, get everything in order, from the social media to the logos to the media to back-end work, SEO, systems and processes, website design, website fulfillment, right? It's all in brand building. So if your specific niche is copywriting, copywriting is a high demand skill that can make you a lot of money in the digital marketing space and give you a lot of influence, but it's on the back end, right? Front end would be like, stuff that is kind of in your face, right? You're teaching, you're speaking, you're, being in digital advertising, right? So we can really hone in our skills, determining what we want to do. Do we want to be responsible for the systems and processes? Do we want to be responsible for the flash and all that good stuff behind? So, everyone has different ways that they want to approach things or be involved in. And like I said, digital marketing gives you that specific, go around. So, going skill by skill, digital marketing is for the people that, are, data and analytical driven and results driven, but also they love creating stuff from scratch. They love building things. They love taking an idea and taking it from zero to something, right? A lot of testing, a lot of failure, right? A lot of wins, a lot of success, but ultimately it's on you to determine if something's successful or not. Some ideas obviously don't make it off the ground, but a lot of times in digital marketing, tons of ideas go from zero to something worth, talking about, and something worth, continuing to build upon. That's why digital marketing, I'm in love with it, because I love taking something from nothing, from scratch, and making it something. And whatever you're doing, right, in whatever niche or whatever topic you're in, you're able to do just that. So it's really special. Also, digital marketing is some of the top skills, the skills that revolve around digital marketing are some of the top skills that one can actually obtain, right? Because digital marketing is in everything nowadays. Even, from NFTs, digital marketing, right? From, the advertising that you see on social media, digital marketing. All the stuff you see on TV, even commercials are digital marketing, but as you can see, the marketing is in everything, especially on the digital sense. And digital is not going anywhere. Digital is here to stay. And that's why I recommend everyone subscribing to this channel, right? Following along, learning the different avenues, topic by topic. Every single video is going to be based on a different topic. I'm going to be posting 2 to 3 times a week, and I'm really going to be bringing you guys the value. We're going to be applying these different skills in real time as well, with real time examples. We're going to be building fake brands right here, just so you guys can see what it takes to really get stuff up and running. But also we're going to educate, inspire, and help people really hone skills in that they never thought that they could obtain or be good at. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video, our first one. I'm so excited to get this out, and I cannot wait to help you guys develop your skills and help you guys become better digital marketers. So if you are new, please consider subscribing and like this video, really to show me that you guys are interested in what is about to be brought out skill-wise on this channel. And let me know in the comments, what is your number one skill that you want to learn in digital marketing, or what is your skill now that you actually have that you want to get better at? So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we will see you in the next one.